Hi guys, here's a look at what Michaels has for Easter 2025. These look like Easter bunny nutcrackers that you can paint yourself. Here's some more wood you can paint yourself. Some ceramic items too you can paint yourself. And now here's a look at the already made decorations. Michaels always seems to have a lot of different garlands for the holidays. These are the flocked bunnies they have at a lot of different stores. You can also get bunnies like this at Dollar Tree. They also had some St. Patrick's Day items. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Bye. And my cat would like you to please subscribe.